This tutorial is on how to access timesheet information for a certain period of time. So this may be helpful to managers to see how their team is working on a weekly basis. So when you go to timesheets, you can see that it's showing this week currently, and it's showing your own timesheets. You want to see everyone's timesheet, so click all timesheets and then clear it this week. Now it's all the timesheets are listed in a list format, which may not be that helpful. You can organize it by date, but the best way to do it would be to click calendar. And now you can see weekly the timesheets completed. You can go back a week. You can go back however many. You can organize it by month to see how everyone's doing. And you can also select certain dates or certain weeks from the calendar right here on the right. And so just to recap, you go to timesheets, you go all timesheets, and then you clear this week and you click the calendar button.